Okay, so this is how you make a this is what you do before port forwarding to make a Minecraft server. So, first of all, go to mcversions.net like that. Find the version that you want. Click download. Download the server jar. Download server jar again. Should just download. You gotta wait a second. Open it in File Explorer. Drag it onto the desktop. Make a new folder. Call it whatever. I'm just gonna call mine test. Put the server jar in the folder. And then this is what you do. You make a text document. You can call it whatever, like launch server run. I'm gonna call mine run. This is what you put. So, if you have a newer version or the newest version, you can just put Java. But if you have an older version, that needs a specific type of Java. So here's what you do for older versions. You go in your File Explorer, go to this PC, click on whichever drive, if you have multiple, that Java is installed on. Go to Program Files. There should be a folder called Java. Open it, and there will be multiple things. So there's Java 21, Java version 8. I'm not sure what latest is. Okay, latest doesn't matter, but there's Java 21 and Java 8. Newer versions where you can just put Java will use Java 21. Older versions will use Java 8. So here's what you do for older versions. Open the older version of Java folder, go into bin, then scroll down until you find java.exe right here. Then what you're going to do is click on the directory, copy it, and instead of putting Java here, you're going to put in quotes, paste the directory, /java.exe. And that's what you do for older versions. Otherwise, for newer versions like the one I just downloaded, you would just put Java. Okay, and then you type dash capital X MS, and then this is the max amount of RAM that your server can use. I'm going to put 16 gigs. If you want to put, let's say, specifically 4 gigabytes, you can put 4096M for megabytes, or just 4G for gigabytes. I'm going to put 16 gigabytes. And then another dash, capital X, MS. Then this is the minimum amount of RAM your server can use. I'm going to put 1 gig. And then what you do is dash Java, and then you go back to your server folder. Whatever your server file is called, that's what you're going to put. You're going to put server.jar. And then you can either just have nothing here or no GUI. The GUI is a little white box that shows up. It's just a smaller command prompt, shows you your RAM usage, yada yada. You can have it or not. I'm going to have GUI for this test. Close it, save, and then what you do is you rename this to a .bat. Yes, and if you don't see the .text or the .jar, what you can do is you go to View and you check File Name Extensions. See, you go to View, check File Name Extensions. Now you can see the .bat and the .jar. So now you run the .bat. Oh, hang on. What's the problem? Let's see if I open up this one. Okay. You have to put pause at the end of this. An error has occurred. Could not create virtual machine. Oh, okay. So here you do not put Java, you put jar. Then you close it, save, and you run it. It'll do all this stuff in the folder. And then it says you will need to agree to the EULA to run the server. Okay, hit enter to close it. Go to the eula.txt, open it, change this false to all lowercase true. Then you run it again. It'll take a second to load, but then it'll do some stuff. This is the GUI that pops up if you don't put GUI, no GUI. Shows your memory use, your average tick, yada yada. And in the command prompts, you'll see hosted on server, yada yada, world, yes. And then you're done. And if you want to stop the server, you just type in all lowercase, stop. It stops the server, closes it, hit enter, you're done. So this is what a Minecraft server looks like if you have already port forwarded, if you have already port forwarded and you make a brand new Minecraft server, this is how you do it. Otherwise, I recommend you port forward first and then make all this. And yeah, that's it.